Meaning of groomsman.
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 Groomsman. A groomsman is a member of the wedding party who assists the groom throughout the wedding planning process and on the day of the wedding. The role of the groomsman varies depending on the specific wedding and the preferences of the groom. Typically, the groomsman helps plan pre-wedding events, attends fittings and rehearsals, assists with setup and cleanup on the wedding day, and stands by the groom's side during the ceremony. Overall, the groomsman serves as a supportive and reliable friend to the groom during this important time in his life.